Welcome to episode number 18 of Franklin Friday. I'm Brandon Sanchez, and we have an exciting show ahead today. It's filled with fresh updates across the FranklinWH community, so let's jump right in. We're exploring how FranklinWH is powering American homes with locally made energy storage, from strengthening U.S. manufacturing to bringing next-generation energy solutions to families across the country. And that mission comes to life through real stories like this one. When HGTV's Dave and Jenny Mars set out to make their Arkansas farmhouse more sustainable, they teamed up with Solar by Barron Heating, AC, Electrical, and Plumbing. They chose the FranklinWH system as the centerpiece of their energy upgrade. With the A-Gate Intelligent Energy Management Controller and the A-Power 2 battery, which comprises the FranklinWH system, the Mars family now enjoys reliable backup power during outages. They have easy monitoring through the FranklinWH app, and they're ready for the future if they want to integrate EVs or electric vehicles, generators, whatever they want. This solution allows them to have greater energy independence from the grid. That's the power of American-made, next-generation home energy. It's built for resilience, and it's designed for life. FranklinWH now manufactures its advanced energy storage batteries at a state-of-the-art facility here in Santa Clara, California. By producing locally, FranklinWH not only ensures high-quality, reliable products, but it also strengthens energy freedom for homeowners through a secure domestic supply chain. Local manufacturing drives long-term stability, sustainable growth, and accessibility to renewable energy across the U.S. Here are a few key highlights of our U.S. manufacturing plant. Since early 2025, FranklinWH has moved from pilot runs to full-scale production of our A-Power 2 units, delivering high volumes of domestically made batteries. This milestone demonstrates FranklinWH's ability to deliver at volume with domestic content, which reinforces our dedication to the U.S. manufacturing and its customers. We have a strict quality assurance process where every unit undergoes automated testing, a burn-in process, and that achieves a 99 to 100% success rates to ensure reliable home energy solutions. By leveraging cutting-edge technology and modern facilities, we've built a fully automated, intelligent production system. Automated assembly lines work in conjunction with breakthrough AI vision inspection to provide flawless engineering accuracy. It cuts down human error and pushes production and delivery efficiency to the next level. FranklinWH's investment in U.S. manufacturing is creating new career opportunities by supporting local economic growth and strengthening communities. We're powering American homes with locally made energy storage, which reflects our commitment to delivering reliable U.S. manufactured solutions while driving innovation, sustainability, and growth across all communities. So thank you again for everyone who shared your residential installations last month. Your clean, smart setups show why FranklinWH is the top choice for home energy storage. All participants will be receiving FranklinWH swag, so thank you for joining in. Congratulations to Revision Energy for winning our October monthly award. Congratulations to May Electric Solar for receiving this month's special award. Both of you will receive a FranklinWH gift package. And moving on to our quarterly award. Congratulations to BSTN Solutions LLC for winning a GoPro. We hope you'll use it to capture even more great installation projects and stories. Our November photo and video challenge is now live, so please share your best shots for a chance to win this month's premium gift package. And if you're not already following us, please do so. And that's it for today's show. Thank you again for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.